Hey, poor guy out there cooking. How are you today? Good. I'm good. Hey, you ever wonder if you could smash a burger on a propane grill, like this fancy Monument grill that I have? Woo boy. Now you can. You would think now you can just do that on a grill if you're going to smash a burger, right? Until now. Check these out. Frozen smash burgers. Got these at Sam's. Now, I found them, but there's a reason I found them, and that's my buddy Doug over at Griddle Cook Eating More. He did a review on these, and I was like, man, I gotta find these and give them a try. You get 20 burgers in there. I don't know how much they cost, but they call them smash burgers. Well, yeah, we already ate some, and I'll tell you honestly, this isn't really a test review, a taste test or anything like that. Uh, but I wanted to kind of say you can do a smash burger on a gas grill if you got frozen smash burgers. I will tell you that Dawn and Tori, if you know us, Dawn's my wife, Tori's my daughter. We typically do reviews and things like that as well as cooking. Uh, they didn't really like these. Now, Aiden and I thought they were fine, but look how thin they are. I mean, that's the thing. It's a thin burger. It's not necessarily a smash burger. But I can tell you when we did cook these on the Blackstone, they got a crust on them. They were fine, I thought. The ladies weren't really happy with the texture, I think was the biggest thing. And plus, they're used to real smash burgers, so it was kind of playing a mind game on them a little bit. But Aiden and I enjoyed them. Now, they're not over the top great, but for frozen burgers, they're okay. I will tell you that these are some of the fastest burgers I've ever cooked in my life. On the Blackstone, they were literally done in less than 5 minutes. So we're going to see how long it takes to do them on the Monument Grill. 115. So while I'm letting them cook, we're going to cook those in real time. So you're going to have to stay and watch me or just stop watching the video. I did want to talk about one thing. Bam! Scotty, Mile High Guy Barbecue. It's a beer glass. I don't have a beer glass, but I have a beer. Pabst Blue Ribbon, PBR. Let's see if it holds a 12-ounce can of it. Like Sal over there at the Root Boy, he always goes for the perfect pour. This is turning out pretty good. Scott, I'm so happy to have this. I literally do not have a beer glass, but now I do. And I'll tell you what, this thing is heavy duty. Now, if you don't know Scott, go over and check him out. Most of you that know me know Scott. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful or what? Let's have a taste. Makes that Pabst Blue Ribbon taste even better. Let's check these burgers. Yeah, we got some action on them. Let's see. It's been like 2 or 3 minutes. Should we flip them or should we wait? I don't know. Let's wait a little bit. So yeah, these are at Sam's Club. You remember how much they were, honey? $20. $20. Okay, thank you. $20 for 20 burgers. That's a dollar a piece, right? Do the math. 3.2-ounce patties. Boy, I was impressed with these. Not so much because of the flavor, because like I said, for frozen burgers, they're okay. But they literally cook so fast. I was so excited. If you want to get a frozen burger and just cook it real fast for supper on a weeknight, bam, there you go. Oh boy. All right, let's take a look. Gotta get under these things. Oh crap. Okay. Everything's all right. So, can you cook a smash burger at a propane grill? I don't know. That one worked. That one worked. Uh-oh. Perfect. Perfect. Oh, oh boy. Let's save that for a rainy day. So you can tell where the heat is on this sucker. So, yeah, honestly, this is just kind of a fun video. A smash burger on a propane grill, nah, you can't do it. A smash burger, you got to press it down. You got to do it on a griddle. But I got the rest of these left. I'm going to cook them up for the week. Aiden and I will munch on these throughout the week. But yeah, check out Doug over at Griddle Cook Eat More. He did a review on these, pretty interesting. Take a look at his video. And definitely Scott over at Mile High Guy Barbecue. He's got lots of great barbecue sauces now and some seasonings that he creates himself. Scott tastes better in this glass. I love that glass. All right, that's all we got for you this week. I'm not even going to show you what they look like. It's kind of a joke, all right? Peace.